so on. Suicide and propagation is also very, very bad indeed. All the bands are a lot of QMary, and it's wonderful that I could catch you here on the 7 megahertz Tom. G2NV Mobile, Dog for the Whiskey Zulu.
Yeah, okay, Stan. Oh, it's a bit stronger that time, 5 and 9. Yeah, I think you just peaked over the 9, actually. But, well, great to hear you. And I won't hold it because the conditions may change any second. But lovely to work you today, and you're sounding very good into Liverpool here from my mobile station. So I say 73, auf Wiederhören, wir Glück, and vielen Dank for the contact, Stan. Delta Fox 8, Whiskey Zulu. Your friend Tom, Golf 2, November, Victor, Bulldozer Mobile, over.
Roger, excellent, Tom, very fine, very good. I hope that the next time we have the possibility to talk longer. Wish you well, be safe at first, and take care. Germany 2, November, Victor Mobile, Dog for the Whiskey Zulu clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Stan. Brian Ziepsig, until next time, bye-bye. QRZ40, CQ40, this is Golf 2, November, Victor Mobile, G2NV, listening 40.
Golf 0, Alpha, Kilo, Uniform.